This video will guide you through replacing the battery in your 2003-2006 Cadillac Escalade's key fob, LHJ011. This is a simple DIY task that can save you money compared to dealership service. Replacing your key fob battery when it dies is important so you can continue to remotely unlock your car. The LHJ011 key fob is about 2.5 inches long and features 3 buttons: lock, unlock, and panic. This fob was commonly used in 2003-2006 Cadillac Escalades and other GM vehicles of that era. If your fob matches this description, this guide is for you. For replacing the battery in your LHJ011 key fob, you'll need a few basic tools and materials. First, a small flathead screwdriver or pry tool to open the key fob case. Next, a new CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery, available for $1 to $5 at most drugstores or online. Also helpful is rubbing alcohol, specifically 70% isopropyl, for cleaning any components if needed. Finally, a soft cloth to clean components and any additional pry tools you might have available. Locate the seam on the back of the key fob. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver into the seam and carefully pry the case open. Avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. Work slowly and methodically around the perimeter. Once the key fob is open, carefully remove the old CR2032 battery using your fingers or a tool. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side should be facing up when installed. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side faces up for correct polarity. Finally, clean the battery contacts and the fob's internal contacts using a soft cloth dampened with rubbing alcohol to remove any corrosion. Now snap the key fob case back together, ensuring it's securely closed. Test the buttons near your vehicle to confirm the new battery is working. If the fob doesn't work, it may need to be reprogrammed. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, you may need to reprogram it. This can happen if the transponder chip lost power or pairing during the battery change. First, consult your owner's manual for detailed steps to reprogram the key fob using the vehicle's Driver Information Center, or DIC. This is usually found on the dashboard display. Alternatively, use a dedicated reprogramming tool, such as an easy key programming module, which connects to your vehicle to reprogram the fob quickly and reliably. If you're not comfortable doing it yourself, or if the above methods don't work, visit a professional at a Cadillac dealership or an automotive locksmith who can reprogram the key fob for you. Important tips and warnings for key fob battery replacement. First, always use a quality CR2032 battery from a reputable brand. Counterfeit batteries can cause malfunctions and may damage the fob's electronics due to inconsistent power output. Second, avoid using excessive force when opening the fob. Gentle pressure prevents cracking the plastic case and maintains the waterproof seals. Excessive force can compromise these seals, allowing moisture to enter and damage internal components. Third, if you encounter corrosion on the battery contacts, clean them thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth before reassembling. Corrosion prevents proper electrical connection, which can cause the fob to stop working or behave erratically. Finally, if your key fob still does not work after following these steps, have it examined by a professional technician. They can diagnose programming issues, transponder problems, or internal damage that require specialized tools and knowledge. Following these important tips and warnings ensures safe and effective key fob maintenance, helping you avoid common pitfalls and extend the life of your device.